Just in case you forget, all your dreams are possible. Let's do this. We are so excited to be snake charming here today for the VFL luncheon. It's a beautiful charity fundraiser. Let's go. Hi, we came to get some snakes. Olivia works with Love Me Like a
Reptile.
Reptile. How long have you been doing snake handling and working with the reptiles?
I've owned the business for 3 years. I've been private keeping since I was 16, but always been working with animals and children. There's a black-headed python and Bella is an olive python who will grow to be the second largest species of snake we have in Australia. Her tail, and you can see she just keeps going.
The snake that I'll be dancing with today. Bella works educating children during the day.
Yeah.
How much does she weigh?
Bella's around the 7 kilo mark at the moment. She will get a little bit bigger maybe, but she's pretty much at her full size.
So we better get ready for the show and we'll see you there. Woo!
Oh, fabulous.
Thank you.
Amazing. It was the star of the show. Something different, incredible.
We did it. Good job, Jen.
Yeah.
Now we feast. Yeah.